Okay, so hi everyone, it's Nikhil24 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these smooth shakes right here, which is just watching. So let's begin. Now we're going to start off with motion tile and your motion blur on. So go to blur mode, curves, and drag that onto your clip. Enable warp reflect. Keyframe shift Y and now we're going to move all these over here for now. X is gonna be 300.450.-90.0 and Y is gonna be 220.-24.13.0. Hope you get it right. I'm gonna just set it up real quick. By the way guys, I'm just gonna give you all the units and basically the subtitles down below so you can easily refer it in case you miss out on my words, and if I make some mistakes, the corrections will be on the subtitles. Okay, easy is. Oops, I just made a mistake. So it's supposed to be here. Okay. So yeah, so it's proper. So it should look T1.1.2. So it looks like this. That's all. Now we're gonna save this as a preset. To save it, you're gonna just highlight the keyframes and you can click on blur mode, and you can click on blur mode so you don't have to change the warp every time. And you can go to animation and save it as an animation preset. I've already saved it, so I don't need to do this. You're just gonna name it and save it. Bam. Okay, so start off with the motion tile, blur motion on and activate it. Press P on your keyboard. Separate the dimensions by left clicking on its position. Keyframe Y. Put at the end of the clip for now. Put at the end of the clip. Now raise the axis upward. Next keyframe don't matter wherever because it's gonna be moving anyways. Now move the axis down. Sorry guys, you don't have to, you just have to watch this. Okay, place another keyframe and move it backward and upward. The keyframe has to be at the end and move it as 24 keyframes. Now you'll be moving the center keyframe and they have the same space between all four. Easy. You should have this by now. Now add warp to your clip. Squeeze and just put this to 0. Keyframe it. Press U to show it up. Move it all to wherever the position ends. -30.12.0. I'm just setting it up real quick. Easy. Now you should have something like this. Handshakes we made earlier. Yeah. I just done. Okay. Press S on the keyboard to bring it up. And move it about 15 to 20 keyframes. Make this 350. Highlight your keyframe. Just copy my graph. It's gonna be towards the middle, curved like I don't know what you call that. Just copy it. Yeah, so yeah, done. Okay, next up we are gonna be adding the rotation now. Keyframe the first one at 0. It's usually longer for the clips. The rotation lasts where the position ends. I'm just gonna put it there at the beginning of the clip. The keyframe at rotation 28. Okay, so highlight the keyframes, easy ease, and copy my graph again. So this graph is pretty much different, but it forms like a cutoff view. So this is how it's gonna be looking now. You can add rotation to wherever the clip ends. Our clip is gonna be shorter for this video. You're gonna move anything else. Okay, time for transformation, warp and shake. Open up position, separate your dimensions, click on your Y. It's the same as the last shake. Just changing the units again. So yeah, just making some changes. Now transform your clip. Add transform to your clip. A keyframe is going to be skew. Move all the way where the position ends and bringing the beginning keyframe as 30 minus 30. Now highlight the frames and copy my graph. By the way, please ignore the notification sound which has popped up during this recording. Keep the highlighted ones and click on Alt plus click and skew. So this is how your clip is going to be basically looking like. Yeah, type in degree 400 right now. Click anywhere in your screen. You can add a scale too if you want towards the last. Shake the twitch shake we made earlier and add it. And yeah, just copy whatever I'm doing, because it's a little bit hard on seeing certain elements which I'm using. So add vertical twitch shake. So add nest shake. Just moving things. Now enable motion blur and change the value to 2.5. This is like one of the most important things in this video. Now open X shake and change all the variables to whatever I'm just changing to. Now open Y shake and make it 100, 2.0005 and then 10. Okay, just doing the changes. Yeah. And now keyframe amplitude you have to change it to 0. Press U and move 10 keyframes out. Press U. Yeah, basically. Change the value to 3 and make it to the beginning. Highlight these and copy my graph. And yeah, so this might be it. So you can just have a look at my thing right now. So if you use anything, please give credits to @20. Thank you. Bye.